Good morning. This is KVR Narasimharao, lecturer in mathematics, Sri Venkateswara College of Arts and Science, Amalapuram, East Godavari district, affiliated to Adikavi Nana University, Rajamahendravaram. Today, we will solve certain problems based upon the concept which we have learned earlier. What is the concept that we have learned earlier? That is group theory concept. What is meant by group? G comma, G is a non-empty set, star is a binary operation, and G obeys associative property, and G having identity for every element, and every element is invertible, then G comma star is a group. Next concept is abelian group. What is meant by abelian group? A group with commutative property is called an abelian group or commutative. A group without abelian property, that is called non-abelian group. What is meant by commutative group? Star is a binary operation on G. A star B is equal to B star A for all A belongs to A comma B belongs to G, then G comma star is an abelian group. Now we go to the problem, that is show that the set G is equal to set of 2 by 2 matrix cos theta plus sin theta minus sin theta cos theta such that theta belongs to R is a group under multiplication, and hence is it commutative. In this case, what is G? G is equal to set of 2 by 2 matrix cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta such that theta belongs to R. This implies G having at least one matrix, one 2 by 2 matrix. That means therefore G is non-empty. Now let us choose two matrices from G such that A is equal to cos theta 1 sin theta 1 cos minus sin theta 1 cos theta 1, so it belongs to G, and B is equal to cos theta 2 sin theta 2 sin theta minus sin theta 2 cos theta 2 belongs to G. A belongs to G, B belongs to G. Now the operation used in this is permittable is dot, that is multiplication, matrix multiplication. Now A dot B is equal to cos theta 1 cos theta 2 minus sin theta 1 sin theta 2, first row second element cos theta 1 sin theta 2 plus sin theta 1 sin theta 2, second row first element minus sin theta 1 cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1 sin theta 2, next last second row second element minus sin theta 1 sin theta 2 plus cos theta 1 cos theta 2. This is cos theta 1 plus theta 2 sin theta 1 plus theta 2 minus sin theta 1 plus theta 2 cos theta 1 plus theta 2. We know that theta 1 belongs to G, theta 2 belongs to G, theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to theta say also belongs to G. Therefore, A dot B belongs to G. Therefore, G comma dot is an algebraic structure. Now let us choose C is equal to cos theta 3 sin theta 3 minus sin theta 3 cos theta 3. So theta 3 belongs to G. Therefore, C belongs to G. Now we want to verify associative property. For that, we have chosen three elements, that is three matrices. Now we know that we observe that A comma B belongs to G implies A plus B belongs to G, A dot B belongs to G and B dot C belongs to G. Now therefore A dot B dot C belongs to G and A dot B dot C also belongs to G. Now A dot B is equal to cos theta 1 plus theta 2 sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 minus sin theta 1 plus theta 2 cos theta 1 plus theta 2 implies A dot B dot C is equal to cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus sin theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3. Second row minus sin theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3. So this is A dot B dot C. This is nothing but cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 sin theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3. Second row first column, second row first element minus sin theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 is equal to A dot BC. Therefore, A dot B dot C is equal to A dot BC. Therefore, the matrix multiplication for the 2 by 2 is given in G obeys associative property. Therefore, G comma dot is a semi group. Now, choose I is equal to 1 0 0 1, 2 by 2 identity matrix. 1 can be rewritten as cos 0 and 0 can be written as sin 0. Therefore, I is equal to cos 0 sin 0 minus sin 0 cos 0. It is a 2 by 2 matrix in G. Therefore, I also belongs to G. Now, A dot I is equal to cos theta 1 plus 0 sin theta 1 plus 0 minus sin theta 1 plus 0 cos theta 1 plus 0 is equal to cos theta 1 sin theta 1 minus sin theta 1 cos theta 1 is equal to A. So, A dot I is equal to A. Similarly, I dot A is equal to A. Therefore, A dot I is equal to I dot A is equal to A for all A belongs to G. Therefore, I is identity element of A in G. Therefore, G comma dot is a monoid. Now, theta belongs to R implies minus theta 1 also belongs to R. So, this implies cos minus theta 1 sin minus theta 1 minus sin minus theta 1 cos minus theta 1 is equal to cos theta 1 minus sin theta 1 sin theta 1 cos theta 1. Once again, theta 1 belongs to R, then theta minus theta 1 also belongs to R. Therefore, cos theta 1 first row first element, first row second element minus sin theta 1, second row first element sin theta 1, second row second element cos theta 1. So, it is a 2 by 2 matrix in G, so it belongs to G is equal to XA. So, X belongs to G. A belongs to G, X belongs to G. A dot X is equal to 1 0 0 1. Therefore, A dot X is equal to I. Similarly, X dot A is equal to I. Therefore, A dot X is equal to X dot A is equal to I. Therefore, X is inverse of A in G. So, every element in G is invertible. Therefore, G comma dot is a group. Now, A dot B is equal to cos theta 1 plus theta 2 sin theta 1 plus theta 2 minus sin theta 1 plus theta 2 cos theta 1 plus theta 2. It can be rewritten as cos theta 2 plus theta 1 because theta 1 plus theta 2 is same as theta 2 plus theta 1. Therefore, A dot B is equal to cos theta 2 plus theta 1 sin theta 2 plus theta 1 minus sin theta 2 plus theta 1 cos theta 2 plus theta 1 is equal to B dot A. Therefore, A dot B is equal to B dot A. Therefore, dot is commutative in G. Therefore, G comma dot is a commutative group. Next problem. Find the identity element in the group G comma star where A star B is equal to A plus B plus 2 for all A comma B belongs to G. In this problem, identity element compute చేయాల్సి ఉంది. స్టార్ ఎలా డిఫైన్ చేశాడు? ఏబీలు జెడ్లో 2 ఎలిమెంట్స్ తీసుకుంటే ఏ స్టార్ బి అంటే ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ 2. సో సొల్యూషన్ Z is equal to minus infinity, etc., etc., minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc., infinity. Therefore, Z is clearly non-empty. Now, star is a binary operation. A star B is equal to A plus B plus 2 for all A comma B belongs to Z. Therefore, and Z comma star is given as a group in the problem. Therefore, there is no need to verify associative property and identity element existence. Now, Z comma star is a group. Therefore, Z has identity, say E, for A belongs to Z, such that A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A. So, what is A star E? A plus E plus 2 is equal to A. Therefore, E is equal to minus 2. Whether minus 2 belongs to Z or not, minus 2 belongs to Z. Therefore, the identity element of A belongs to Z with respect to star in Z comma star is minus 2. Therefore, homework problem. Find the identity element in the group Q comma star, where star is defined by A star B is equal to AB by 4 for all A comma B belongs to. Only identity element is to be computed. So, identity element can be computed using the same problem. Thank you.